Hi students, so mamangda koi balance cell electron pair repulsion theory ko tawgre aduga adugi example na singba koi lokalaga yengkhre ko so adugi makha tarakpo ena balance bond theory habase amug yengsi ko balance bond theory sida koina magi concept ama lay orbital concept haina ko orbital overlapping concept karino habdo ko yengsi orbitals overlapping is the process of partial interpenetration of atomic orbitals ko and the important characteristics of the orbital overlapping are haraga khada pire koi magi orbital overlapping tawbasigi magi important oiba characteristics khara lay ko adu singdu koi makhada pirise habadi atomic orbitals sing se koi kadaraba bonding tawbase koi orbital sing overlapping tawraga semi habadugi concept ni lakadoise. So a covalent bond is formed by overlapping of half-filled atomic orbitals present in the valence shell. Atomic orbital da yauba half-filled oiba orbital ama ko koi kidaroba overlapping tawraga. Say for example S hairo S the electron ama yauba S orbital da ko aduga atopa amasu kidaroba S orbital aduga electron ama hapa half-filled so covalent bond ama semge haitaragadi sigi ani se overlapping tawraga semgani habani ko. Now karigumba akoi next second point amu yengsi the overlapping orbital should contain electrons with opposite spin hai overlap tawgadauba sigi orbital ani overlapping tawgadauda yauriba electron singdu same spin noiba yade opposite spin ko amana se ai mathakta tungkhalaga ye ko that means it may be clockwise oiba yai aduga makhada leiriba electron soina thektharaga ye ain arrow se single arrow head ta makhada yungdaraga ye ibasina ko anti clockwise oini ko aduna orbital ama overlapping tawge haitadi it should be half filled electron among khakta yauba ko aduga mabani se overlap taw matamda electron to opposite spin da leminaga dawani haba ko. Point number 3 the yengsi as a result of overlapping the electron get paired and a stable covalent bond is formed. Electron singdu ngasai half fill leba akoi atomic orbital ani du overlapping tawra matungda electron ani du kedaraba hojikti pair semgrani so stable covalent bond ama form tawi habani ko. The strength of the covalent bond depends on the extent of overlapping, and the greater the extent of overlapping, stronger will be the covalent bond form. The covalent bond ama form tawba haibase dangi ngasagi atomic orbital singdo moigi overlapping kayam yamna phajana tawge habadugi matungina strength of the covalent bond dugi magi kanbagi changse lepkani habani ko strength of a covalent bond say it's depend on the extent of overlapping of the atomic orbitals ko more is the overlapping more is the stronger of the bond ko or stronger will be the covalent bond ko smai hoigadoini aduna makha tarakpada ko yengsi types of overlapping se hoji khoi ke daroba covalent bond ama sembase ke daroba atomic orbital sing overlapping tawraga kari adusu atomic orbital sing do ke dawdoba electron should be in opposite spin ko aduga akoi electron sing do overlap tawra matungda pair up tawrani so covalent bond form tawre aduga magi bond strength do amuk ke daroba overlapping da depend tawe habanina akoi orbital sing makhan kya thokna overlap tawba yage habado koi yengsi ko ahanbada sigma bond ko sigma bond kamai form tawge hamatamda se overlapping of the atomic orbital takes place along internuclear axis ko bond is formed by end to end head on overlapping is known as sigma bond habadi kaino hamatamda sigma bond ama form tawba matamda khoi makhan ani ahum thokna lay ko se ahanbada akoi orbital se s habama p habama d f kind khoi smai lai ko so s ka overlapping to means end to end oba yai head on overlapping oba yai sigi orbital sida ke ba one electron yaw godoni sigi orbital sida ke one electron yaw godoni adugo overlapping to ni haiba ko so this is the sigma bond amani ss overlapping to ss ta di akoi makok karambano aduga mamai karambano haiba laite ko akoi thomjanariba jaga du overlapping tawriba jaga du all side loini chap managani ko then point number 2 the sp overlapping ko s orbital ga aduga p orbital ga p di ke daba ko dumbbell shape man banina so sigi marakta overlap tawba yade ko sigi makok siga natraga na songi makok siga ani si akoi sigi s siga overlap tawgudaba aduna sp overlapping form di sumain thengnaga ne ko then pp overlapping dumbbell shape ani ko dumbbell shape ani overlapping tawre so magi shape se in this form the overlapping tawni ko aduga hayeng on thorakpa matamdana khoi saina macha ama lehoraga chauba ma ko then macha ama sigi form daga sumain lakpa su yai ake makha chacharako ina khoi muk pi bone haibase mu yengsi ko pi bone da si leire ko pi bone da mu form tawrisina khoi p orbital singna sideways or lateral overlapping ko ko sideways maina khoi overlap taw taragadi nakan nakan ani si junction na taragadi masibo khoi pi bone formation ko ko then pi bone de only madi overlapping form se amakaktani leise aduga sigma bone da 3 type ko bone je khoi makan ani thong le pi bone haiba ma sigma bone ma sometimes delta bone su lei gaina haine adubo according to this kano chemical compound sida occur tawbadadi akoi sigma and pi bone khakta count toy ko then hybridization si yengsi ko kai gidamakta khoina hybridization tholai no haiba matamda ai sida example amtang lokhalaga take ko carbon si magi outermost cell da khoi 1s2 ko 2s2 then 2p 2p3 ko samai lerangani means total 5 6 7 okay sorry 2p2 na lerangani ko total 6 electron so magi outermost cell da leriba valence electron si 4 ni ko 2s2 2p2 aduna s da electron china 2s da electron anima ko aduga p da electron 1 then 2 ko so to matamda khoi karigumba methane hariba compound se form tawge haitaragadi ko methane hariba compound se form tawge haitadi akoi carbon gi orbital sing siga s orbital siga aduga hydrogen gi orbital sing duga khoi hydrogen dadi ga only one electrons khak lebani na madi 1s1 ko aduna s orbital siga overlapping tawdoni now hoji overlap tawge haitadi hydrogen je sida overlapping tawba ma then sida overlapping tawba ma sida overlapping tawba ma so they can form only 3 electrons ko natragana khoi sigi carbon se akoina sida ye ise magi configuration iriba form se ground state ko excited state ta chatlaga su kedoge hamatamda s da 1 electron aduga p da orbital ahum leiba sida akoi sida 1 2 3 ko electron ahum leigadoini kedoraga akoi keno singsi s da leiriba electron amasi kadai da jump tawgidoiba p da jump tawraga ko so this is the akoi excited state ne aduna carbon se bond form tawge haitaragadi excited state ta chatle ko so excited state ta chatlaga karigumba koi hydrogen siga bonded taw matamda hydrogen sida 1 electron hape so hydrogen overlapping tawre sida hydrogen overlapping tawre then sida hydrogen overlapping tawre then sida hydrogen overlapping tawre ko je hydrogen mari bond form tawba yare kanaga atomic orbitals of the carbon gi mari half fill mari leire so hydrogen gi half fill amamam duga overlap tawre now sida koi hydrogen amaga p orbital ko then px py pz na koi sain leiba p ahum siga overlapping tawba akoi bond strength se chap manani karigi p ga s ka carbon p orbital from the carbon and s orbital from the hydrogen ani se overlapping tawni na bond ahum amadi chap manarani amagi strength se ko aduga sida ss overlapping ama leiriba 2s and 1s overlapping ko si ani ge overlapping sidi akoi man bond strength sing asai px s ka p ga s ka akoi overlapping tawdu manar adubu practically kedraba carbon da semiba hydrogen gi bond mari sidi hydrogen gi bond mari sidi loina chap manai yebko loina strength chap manai bond length chap manai aduna kedarage ha matamda akoina balance bond theory da explain tawriba explanation se asina satisfy oidare habko now adudagi akoi hybridization haba concept se laine hybridization haidi sigi bond mari mak ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯕꯣꯟꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯨꯞ ꯇꯧꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ꯭ꯔꯤꯗꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯁꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ꯭ꯔꯤꯗꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁꯟꯁꯦ ꯃꯥ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ꯭ꯔꯤꯗꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁꯟꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ꯭ꯔꯤꯠ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯪꯉꯦꯀꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ꯭ꯔꯤꯠ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯏꯁ ꯑꯦ ꯃꯤꯛꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ ꯀꯣ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯃꯤꯛꯁ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯏꯅꯔꯖꯤ ꯂꯦꯚꯦꯜꯗ ꯂꯩꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯑꯣꯔꯕꯤꯇꯦꯜ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯅꯛꯅꯕ ꯏꯅꯔꯖꯤ ꯂꯦꯚꯦꯜꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣই ꯁ꯭ꯂꯥꯏꯠꯂꯤ ꯗꯤꯐꯔꯦꯟट ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯏꯅꯔꯖꯤ ꯂꯦꯚꯦꯜ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯦꯇꯣꯃꯤक ꯑꯣꯔꯕꯤꯇꯦꯜ ꯑꯅꯤ overlapping tꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯏꯕ so ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯦ overlapping mixing tꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯏꯕꯀꯣ mix ꯇꯧꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯦ mix ꯇꯧ ꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯔꯕ ꯀꯅꯥꯅ ꯀꯅꯥꯅꯣ ꯈꯪꯉꯔꯣꯏ so ꯃꯁꯛ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯕ orbital ꯑꯅꯤ ꯄꯤꯊꯣꯔꯛꯀꯅꯦꯕ hybrid orbital ꯑꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯦꯁ example ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯀꯥꯔꯕꯣꯟꯒꯤꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ 2s ꯀꯣ then p ꯗ ꯀꯌꯥ p ꯗ ꯑꯍꯨꯝ sina 2p ni ko 2p ni sina kedaraba 2s aduna orbital masakse tongale now sigi energy level khejik manaba 2s and 2p ani si kedar karigumba akoi mixing taw taragadi ko mixing taw taragadi hojik kai tholani mase atomic orbital kayano mixing taw isa at orbital mari ni ko so sigi orbital mari se kedaraba hojik okay p orbitals ko sub orbitals mari p gi ahum ama s ki ama orbital mari se mix tawse hojik hybrid orbital mari dum pithorakane ba ko hybrid orbital mari dum pithorakane so ana kana mix tawba sp3 3 p dagi ahum s dagi ama ko aduna sp3 aduga sp3 hybrid orbital hojik ti ke daroba orbital mari se masak loi chap manarani ko aduga electron su ke daroba 1 ko then 1 ko 1 so ana electron mari su leirane adu tadi hojik sp3 loi leire so sida akoina hydrogen je hapa matamda hojik ti ke darone hydrogen je chap manarane masak se kaigino hai matamda bond strength chap manarani mana overlapping tawriba orbital du akoi ke daraba masak loina manarabina orbital sing overlapping taw matamda moina form tawriba bond du strength chap manarani ko aduna koi hybridization se sida laini has now hybridization yaropadagidi akoi bond gi magi bond strength natragana bond myam sing se akoi chume habasi harini ko so sibauda akoi hybridization lakpagi ko mate ama lore aduga ai hybridization se next session da amuk ai taklake hybridization makhan